Ebusiafo, Enra, I mean, this is another update on Charman Wontumi case, no. Enra me de a response. The Attorney General Edebaye, no. Me babe kinkan it was quite lengthy, but mo bebre na no. Mo kinkan moiti ama mo atensem no ase. Me breaking it down out here. Now, for people who don't know, it's all about Charman Wontumi. And the Charman Wontumi lawyer officially, once the Charman Wontumi lawyer eba betro, ne filing ne address nim, ne final address mu, waka se court no entry so. Now, officially no, omo filing motion. Edi akwa koto judge ni nim se day na judge na na just obema judgement no. Omo filing motion se judge no. Ontwentwen asem ne so. Inti na mebe ready Charman Wontumi anope ya na mensa eka motion inti mebe ready Charman Wontumi ne lawyer no emotion no na yate ensem na see. And that your first time or ha subscribe click the notification bell on so oya ne sa latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. This video is kindly brought to you by Corporate Logistica, omo ye vehicle management company ewa Ghana ha. Obi biara wa kraka if you abrochi aba Ghana se embeye adwuma ma ne pen no unim say there are a lot of issues. Either say driver no ebetwi wedi and say sika obenya from car no and no na odebeye car ne ho maintenance until at the end of the day eye cost 90 unye sika bia mesraw fa car ne share Corporate Logistic ansa omo ankasa ebepe driver ma car no omo ankasa ebeye insurance ne maintenance on the car na at the end of the day wa car ne ye no every month omema waketua 2 times 0598022033 oni omo ntwetwe nkomo oyo ba na onim se ne ayechi ka sakesie ya for Corporate Logistic na oni omo nkasa ebusianfo aside that so no I have a preposition obi biara wotie me bia wo pese o communicate ma the NDC ana de me ye ibi onso pese o ye content creation you have the the heart what you say o feel say obetumi communicate on behalf of the NDC, just that only platform and our platform na share them movies and reach out to me personally, right? Reach out to me personally 055-807-4986. Reach out to me. What you say? International so to me akasama NDC and our TikTok platform or NDC or TikTok platform or YouTube and our Facebook platform bia. Now yes I dey crowd da krana. Please reach out to me on WhatsApp 055-807-4986. Reach out to me and you understand why I'm telling you to reach out to me. Anyway, yemran semnimo. I say notice of motion, application for deferment of judgment and constitutional interpretation referral. Now, I say take notice that counsel for the first and third accused persons, applicant hearing will move this honorable court on an application praying the court for the deferment of the delivery of judgment slated for the 20th day of July 2026 to abide by the constitutional interpretation referral and refer the following genuine constitutional interpretation issues for determination by the Supreme Court. And yenim issues no, right? Whether or not a true and proper interpretation of Article 1911 of the Constitution, 1992, Section 14(1) of the Minerals and Mining Act 2006 is legally vague and all that. We all know these issues. We've addressed it. What you say? And Rakra and Washe Attorney General response or the by a very, very brilliant response. I spent over 30 minutes explaining the entire response. So we all know the issues. Now, I say upon the grounds deposed to an accompanying affidavit and for any other orders as the Honorable Court may deem fit, courts to be moved on the 20th day of July 2026 in the forenoon or so soon thereafter as counsel for the first and third accused persons stroke applicants may be heard. And so basically, attachia say ne we edin Zoe Achia and Co. And so it goes on. Now, the affidavit of Peter Owusu in support of motion for deferment of judgment and constitutional interpretation referral. So this is the official motion. Omo person mo defer judgment no. Na obi I friend Peter Owusu supporting motion no, right? And I think that's standard practice. say I don't know, but I believe that standard practice say obi you anyway what the mamen can or say I Peter Owusu C114 I Peter Owusu of C114 Abolebu Crescent North Labone Accra do hereby make oath and say as follows that I am the deponent hereto and the law clerk of the law firm Mrs. Zoe Achia and Co, who are assessed with the prosecution of the first and third accused person stroke applicant's action. I have the requisite authority to the first and third accused persons stroke applicant to depose to the matters contained in this affidavits which are within my knowledge and information received from first and third accused persons stroke applicants which I honestly believe to be true unless otherwise stated. I have also received legal advice from the lawyer handling the case touching on the full legal effect and import of the first and third accused persons stroke applicants motion paper and supporting affidavit and the annexures. Now, also at the hearing of this application, counsel for the first and third accused persons stroke applicants shall seek the leave of this honorable court to refer to the processes so far filed in this suit as if the same were reproduced in this affidavit and sworn to under oath. On the same day of October 2025, the first and third accused persons stroke applicants were arraigned before this honorable court on charges consisting of 2 counts of assignment of mineral rights without approval by the minister, contrary to sections 14.1 and 99.2b of the Minerals and Mining Act 2006 at 703 as amended by section 3 of the Minerals and Mining Amendment Act 2019, and it goes on. But basically, what is happening is that, we a official motion in courts. Charman Wontumi lawyers Edigina so our say, well, this is what they want. And so basically, in some tintin in the titimuna and no. I said this is the official motion. I say omode ba ntisisi ade first omo throw address mu, but address mu a omo throw em so omo aba be hu ne say ade no ye pese take and serious e was ye motion officially. I say so this is it. This should be interesting. Intino enra utie argument attorney general ne ye na because we filing motion intino and interest say wasem ye de. The court has to decide say in some way will raise indeed in here constitutional interpretation and in here enya wo asem obeka say me per se yenya constitutional interpretation maintain brana sinti me per se medianico Supreme Court dabi. It is up to the courts. So workers say won tiase na court ne tiase court no omma yenko Supreme Court. So it is up to the judge to rule. And I want to believe that the judge is going to rule on this motion. Now, what will happen is that if the judge rules on this motion, the Charman Wontumi lawyer has a chance to appeal the motion. What you say? He's going to have a chance to appeal the motion. Now, say oko appeal, so oko appealing motion we are. I want to believe that now judges never yet 3 ewo case so at the appeals court. And no, lawyers in the but basically, this is the move. And also, ebema time, what I say, for the time. But what can actually happen is that the judge will say, on that day, because a motion, may reject it. 2 things. The judge could say, okay, Mati motion as a Yenko Supreme Court. And judgment, I was here, the match, Charman Wontumi, embassy until say Supreme Court. Interpreting Mrano. It is a Supreme Court interpreting Mrano within a week after the week the judgment beba. Or interpreting Mrano within a year after the year the judgment beba. So that is an option. Now the second option is a judge no be to me say asem no means you umotion no maboegu overruled. and I'm going to go ahead to give my judgment. Now, say Sisana, what is going to happen is that the MPP will hold a press conference and they will accuse the judge. That's what they are going to do. Okay, they will accuse the judge. Say the entire judge nabo motion, as if say a judge is not obliged. You know, once you raise a motion, a judge can decide to, you know, overrule or sustain it. It is a judge nabo motion nigu. Na say judge, you know, go ahead, no sentence Charman Wontumi. Now, what will happen is that the lawyer for Charman Wontumi now has to appeal. Ombeye fast say omobe appeal. What you say? And then all those things are going to go on. But I think say the confusion about and say at that time, no, should they appeal the motion or they should appeal the sentencing? Because now the appeal is going to be two. The main case, say a sentence Charman Wontumi 20th July now. The main case, I don't know, say Charman Wontumi 23rd and I say 20th, one of them anyway. Mo fancha me dates no. But the American say a sentence Charman Wontumi. The main case. Yeah, and no the sentencing, no. Charman Wontumi lawyers will have to appeal that. Or I know that definitely no, they will try to appeal it. And then the motion are rejecting and so on, and also a subject of an appeal. And it's our two cases now, but the meaning said yen and I feel on be appeal. What you say? No, but this will be interesting, you know. This will be very, very, very interesting. So we are waiting for now what you are week now ye room we are very exciting in court. Ghana ni bia wutie me no book we asset back one I was say will keep e will fear. To book we ma wo ho to ma oba to ma obi biara osumbo e wo wabrabo mu wadamfo obi a opese odi ye wabrabo mu bia no to sa book we your friend the Ghanaian investor. Na sa book we bet show different forms of investment I'll be to me aye e wo Ghana ha licensed investments. The first one adi bia your friend emergency fund. Book we bet show send you best set up emergency fund. Abrabo aye boy bibia be to me ato. If you have an emergency fund, a beba na ba be save you. Oka be to me say wo kwan so. Obe to me ayare, oba be to me ayare. Nini na emergency fund no e be take control of all those situations. Book no be sanso atrewa ade bia ye fe na endowment fund. I'll be to me dia protect you and your future. Na sa endowment fund no nyame mpengu ukokonya accident na untumi nye adwuma bioma it will take care of you for the rest of your life. Book no besan so atrel send ya obe set up a personal pension fund. Enkrofo bebre eye adwuma wie ekọ retirement omukọ retirement we are no mo ho aba betwe mo o set up a personal pension fund. That will not be your case. Most importantly, book we betray how to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange. Now Ghana Stock Exchange investment, basically, it means you are buying ownership of Ghanaian companies. Now Ghana Stock Exchange, it is one of the best performing markets in the whole world. A lot of people are making money from the Ghana Stock Exchange, but they don't know how to invest in it. Book we betray us idea. Your investment be why your friend mutual fund. Book we betray how to invest in a mutual fund. Now mutual fund, you don't need to be rich to invest in a mutual fund. I remember an example. You find say wa woba fresh. Now what per license mutual fund e Ghana has say opese odi usikashim. Say to me invest 500 cedis every single month. E a Ghanaian mutual fund moi. By the time I will be 19 years no. Now I done a millionaire. You find say wa for CB we did 10. Opese that chibi odi every month for 500 cedis e mutual fund mu emano. By the time I will bano and I will fast no obedi 29 years no na oye millionaire. Wankasa utie me we di 40. Now so wosha unye investment bia eno ane say obeye mutual fund every month for 500 cedis e shem. By the time obedi 59 years no na wenya 1 million Ghana cedis. Into mutual fund no, that is how it works. Small money every single month. By the time embre ebebano na sika no aye kese book we better sanyama ni na sa ope book no ni PDF anase ni twi video a free anase WhatsApp number na ewo book ni so sisi a na sa we Ghana ni na wa brochure na ope hard copy of the book a very simple call Amazon na search for the Ghanaian investor place the order bibia obi I be ship e dia bro medase